Force Fabric, the ultimate reinforced solution for a solid and long-lasting foundation. This high-quality polyester fabric is designed to fortify your subfloor, reducing reflective cracking and enhance the durability of your flooring installations. Force Fabric offers outstanding strength, absorbency, and flexibility, making it ideal for a wide range of applications. It's incredibly easy to cut and install, ensuring a hassle-free experience for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. What sets Force Fabric apart is its compatibility with WaterPrep and WPM plus crack isolation membranes, creating a seamless system that prevents moisture-related issues and maintains your subfloor's integrity. Elevate your flooring prep with Force Fabric, the ideal choice for those seeking a robust, reliable, and durable solution. Enjoy the peace of mind that comes with a fortified subfloor for your space.